Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you about division of decimals, that how we can divide decimals. In previous exercise I have taught you about multiplication of decimals, that how we can multiply decimals. Today I will teach you how we can divide decimals. So today we are going to do this exercise 30. Let's continue the exercise. Here the first question is divide. So 1.3 divide by 10. You can divide it directly. This is the first method. Or as it is written 1 by 3 divided by 10, you can remove this point. Yes, what you will get? 13 upon 100. Now you can also divide 13 by 100. Either you can do this method. Now the simplest method is this. For example, you have to divide 1.3 by what? 10. Yes. So first you will write 1.3 with what you have to divide? 10. Okay. When you will remove this point, what will come here? Yes, 10 only, because after point how many digits are there? 1. So how many 0 will come? 1. How you can write it? 13 upon 100. Now what you will do? First you will write 13. How many 0 are there? 2. So before 2 digits, what you will put? Decimal. So how you can write it as 0.13. Understood? Similarly, I have done here. The next question is 234.5 by 10. First you will write 234.5. Yes, 234.5 upon 10. When you will remove this point, after point how many digits are there? 1. So 1 0 will get added. So how you will write it as 2345 upon 100. Then what you will do? You will write 2345. How many 0 are there? 2. So before 2 digits you will put decimal. And how you will state this? As 23.45. Now next question, again divide. In the previous question what we have seen? We have divided it by 10. Now we will divide it by 100. So 0.4 divided by 100. Yes, similarly we will remove the point, and after point 1 digit is there. So we will add 1 0. So it will become 4 upon 1000. So before 1, 2, 3 digits point should be there. So before 4 we can write 30. Yes, because as I have explained before, if I add 0 before any number, it will remain same only, because it will be considered as 4 only if you will add 0 before a number. So 1, 2, 3. So just see how you can tell this 0.004. Understood? Now next question, 287.3 by 100. So first you will write 287.3 upon 100. Remove this point, 0 will get added. Then 2873 upon 1000. Then you will write 2873. Then 1, 2, 3. 1000 is there. 3 0 are there. So before 1, 2, 3 you will put point, and how you will tell this? 2.873. Understood? Now again divide. Now you have to divide by 1000. 1.9 by 1000. So first you will write 1.9 upon 1000. Similarly you will remove the point and 1 0 will get added. So how you will write it? As 19 upon 10,000. So first you will write 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 are there. So before 4 digits you will put decimal. 1, 2 you will add 0. 3, 4. So how you will tell this? 0.0019. Now next question, 3465.7 by 1000. Similarly 3465.7 upon 1000. you will remove the point and 1 0 will add. So then how much is there? 10,000. So 3 4 6 5 7, 4 0 are there. So before 4 digits you will put point 1 2 3 4. Here you will put what? Point. 3.4657. Okay. Now when both the digits are having point, how you can divide? So the question is 7.8 divided by 0.1. As you know, if I will remove this point, then 10 will come downside, and if I will remove the point of denominator, then 10 will be increased in the numerator. Now just see, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So what will left? 78 upon 1. And what will come? 78. Understood? We'll explain with another example. 2.3 upon 0.001. Yes, we'll remove this point. What will come here? 10. Because after point, how many digits are there? 1. Then I will remove this point. What will come? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. 1,000. Yes. So this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. What will remain here? 23 multiply 100 upon 1. So if you will multiply 23 by 100, what you will get? 2300. Understood? Next question. 13.8 by 6. So how you can write it? 13.8 upon 6. We'll remove this point and what will come here? 0. So you have to divide 138 by 60. Okay. See, if you will remove the point and if you will change in as like that without decimal, then you can divide it very easily. So just divide 60 to 120. What is left? 18. Now 18 is smaller than 60. So we'll put point and we will increase 0. Then 63 is 180. Hence the number is divided. What we got? 2.3. Next question. 0.728 upon 16. We'll remove the point. Multiply 1, 2, 3. So 1000. 3 digits are there. So you can write it as 728 divided by 16,000. So just divide. Just see, 7 to 8 by how much? 16,000. Just see here how many 5 digits are there and here only 3 digits. So what you will do? You will put point, you will add 1 0. Again smaller. Then you will add 0 and you will increase here 0. As I have done here. Yes, this 0 was increased by point. Again I have put 0 and I have increased the 0. So 16,000. Now just see 5 digits and 5 digits. Now easily we can divide. So 16,000 4 ja 64,000. Will subtract and get 8800. Again with the help of this point I have increased the 0 and it has become 88,000. Then 16,000 multiply 5, what you will get? 80,000. Yes, subtract, you will get 8,000. Again with the help of this point we have increased 0. Then 16,000 multiply by 5, what you will get? 18,000. Till we get 0 here as the answer, we will divide it. So what is the answer? 0.0455. Next, divide 2.46 by 0.6. Similarly, remove this point. 10 will increase upside. Remove this point. 2 digits are there. So 100 will come. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. What you will get? 246 divided by 60. Just divide. 60 4 ja 240. What you will get? 6. Now 6 is smaller than 60. We'll put point and increase 0. Then 61 ja 60. The sum is solved. What is the answer? 4.1. Next, you have to divide 3 by 80. So no decimal is there. First you can easily divide. Just see. Okay, you have to divide 3 by 80. 3 is smaller, we'll put point. We'll increase 0 here. Again 30 is smaller, yes. We will add here 0, increase here 0. Now it can be divided. So 8 3s are 24. Yes. Similarly here 300 minus 240, what we will get? 60. Again with the help of this point we will increase 0, what it will become? 600. Then 80 7s are 560. Subtract, we will get 40. Again with the help of this point we will increase 0, what we will get? 400. Then 85s are 400. So till we get 0 here we will solve. What is the answer? 0.0375. So these are just common divide, how we can divide decimals. So the remaining questions you have to do as your homework. Thank you.